Hello, this is a video tutorial of our first writing strategy, which is touch and tell. So this is a writing strategy that students should already be familiar with because we have done some practicing of this strategy in the classroom. But as a refresher, that's what this video is for. So I have two different types of paper here. I have some loose leaf paper, which is typical of something that you might have at home, or if you have the resources available, you can make little booklets like this. So this is a 3-page booklet. Students are familiar with these because we use these at school. And so on each page then the students can have a beginning, a middle, and an end. That is something that's possible to do on this loose leaf as well, simply by just dividing it into 3 chunks. You could do that by folding, you could do that by drawing lines, really the choice is yours. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to use this paper, which is something that students are familiar with. So our topic this week is to write about ice cream and our favorite flavor of ice cream and why it's our favorite flavor. So that's more of an information writing piece. And students could certainly use a beginning, middle, and end for an information writing piece. So if I were to touch and tell, I'm going to think of my idea first before I even touch or pick up my pen. Really, I should put that down. So my favorite flavor of ice cream, I like vanilla ice cream, but not just plain. I really like to have Oreos in my vanilla ice cream. So if I were to touch and tell this fact, I might say, I really like vanilla ice cream. So on this page, I'm going to talk about vanilla ice cream. And then on this page, I'm going to talk about how I really like to have Oreos in my vanilla ice cream. I don't like it just plain. There needs to be something else in it, and Oreos are my favorite. And then on this page, I might write or draw a picture about how I really like my ice cream to be in a cup. I don't mind an ice cream cone, but I prefer my ice cream to be in a cup. So I've touched and I've told on each page. This page will be talking about vanilla ice cream. This page will be talking about how I will put Oreos in my vanilla ice cream. And this page will talk about how I like my vanilla ice cream with Oreos to be in a bowl. So now that I've touched and I've told on each page, I can pick up my pen and I can get started. I've posted on my class dojo, and I'm not sure maybe Miss Esser has or not, something about spelling, which is really interesting, and how we don't encourage students to spell correctly at this young age. That's not where our focus is. Our focus instead is to get ideas on paper. So that might be an interesting read for you if you're curious. Okay. So I've talked here a little bit about what my favorite flavor of ice cream is. The second part of it is why. So instead of putting that I like to eat it in a bowl, I could have explained why vanilla Oreo ice cream is my favorite. I could also add that here. Now the other thing too, I could also draw a picture. So I've got lots of opportunities. This is just a simple sort of outline skeleton here of touching and telling. That was what I wanted to highlight. And then from there, you can take it further by adding more details or adding a picture. If you have any questions about this strategy or anything else from our work this week, don't be afraid to reach out and contact us. Thanks for watching.